Good morning everyone. I hope you all are healthy and fine. So let's start the new chapter, that is chapter number 5, mouse and input device. So first question is that what do you mean by mouse? Actually mouse is an input device and used to move, point or select items on a computer. And we also call it as a pointing device. This is an image of mouse. You can see these all are the parts of mouse, like a left button, right button, mouse wire and scroll wheel. Now next is features of a mouse. Actually a mouse fit comfortably under the palm of your hand, and the top of the mouse, you can see in this image, top of the mouse has the two buttons, one small wheel. We call it as a scroll wheel. And it has a long wire attached to it. And the bottom of a mouse is flat and contains a mechanism that detects movement of the mouse. Next is uses of a mouse. So the mouse is used to select text, graphics and any other object on the screen. It is used to draw pictures and graphics. It is used to play games, music, movies, cartoons, etc. Next is mouse pointer. This is an image of mouse pointer. So whenever you move the mouse, a small arrow also moves on the monitor. This small arrow is known as mouse pointer. Mouse pad. You should always place the mouse on the mouse pad to move it smoothly. This is an image of mouse pad. Next is types of mouse. So there are the mainly two types of mouse. Number one is ball mouse and mechanical mouse and optical mouse. The first image is of ball mouse. This mouse has a rubber ball on its underside, and as you move the mouse, the ball rolls with these movements. It helps in the movement of mouse pointer. And second image of optical mouse. This mouse uses laser light. You can see in this image laser light instead of a rubber ball to detecting the movement of mouse pointer. Now the next is functions of mouse. So before explaining this topic, there is one definition: clicking. What do you mean by clicking? Clicking means pressing the mouse button is called clicking. Now number one is single click. When you press the left mouse button once is called single click. You can see in this image, left button, when you press this button once is called a single click. And the double click means keep pressing the left mouse button, that means this button, left mouse button, 2 times quickly is called double click. And the double click is mainly used to open any program or file. Now next is right click. Pressing the right mouse button once is called right click. This is the right mouse button. And when you press it once, we call it as a right click. Next is dragging. Dragging means pressing and holding the left mouse button while moving the mouse is called dragging, and it is usually used to move the object or draw any shape with. Now next is scrolling. Scrolling means this is a one scroll wheel in the middle of 2 buttons. In this image you can see this is a scroll wheel between these 2 buttons, left and right button. So you can move the wheel with your index finger to move the page up and down. Scrolling is generally used to move page up and down. Last topic of this chapter is touch screen. On the computer monitor you can use mouse to move, point and select object. On the touch screen you can use your finger to move, point or select object. Your finger just acts as a pointing device. Now some touch screen examples are like a smartphone, tablet, PC, your touch screen monitor. And last, this is a topic of your chapter, like a mouse pointer on a monitor and the finger on the touch screen. So for the mouse, it's a click, that is a press the left mouse button once. But in your phone, touch on your screen, quick touch and release one finger one time. Then double click means pressing the left mouse button 2 times quickly, but finger on touch screen means double tap. Quickly touch and release one finger 2 times. generally used for to run a program or application. Last is drag, that is pressing and holding the left mouse button while moving the mouse, and finger on touch screen means press and keep a finger on an object then move the finger, that means in a slide form. So this is all about your chapter. Thank you so much.